Hi, guys. So, I'm sure that your parents have told you or you've seen in the news that we will continue our school year virtually. I miss you guys so much, and I'm really sad that I won't be seeing you for the remainder of the school year, but hopefully, you will be at Brooker next year and you'll come by and say hi. I miss you guys so much, and I truly wish that we were in the classroom together. Um, but I hope that this doesn't discourage you from continuing your learning and trying your absolute best. So, with that being said, this week we are going to continue to read our Simone Manuel text, and we are going to finish reading from page 16 to the end of the text. So, hopefully, you read to page 15 last week. This week is going to be exactly the same as last week. So we are going to continue to focus on text structure. Remember, we said that the text is organized in chronological order or in sequence, so meaning that the events are being told in order. We said that biographies are normally told in this way. So the graphic organizer last week, I asked you to identify 5 different events, and I apologize so much because the graphic organizer only had 3 different spots. So this week, what you are going to do is you are going to identify an important event from the beginning of this section only, the middle, and at the end. So please make sure that as you are reading, you are identifying those signal words. Remember, like first, next, finally, dates. Those will help you to identify the important events from the beginning, the middle, and the end of this section. So again, I'm going to go ahead and get the line tool ready. We're going to read just this page together, and I'm going to show you how I identify those signal words. You will continue to read the rest of the text, and you will add to the graphic organizer. Just like last week, you will have 2 essential questions to answer. When you are done, you will take the MyOn quiz, not the EDSB quiz. When you are done, you will have to write a review in order to see the quiz. You will take that quiz, and then I will enter the grade into our grade book. So please make sure that you are trying your best. All right, so this is chapter 4. It's called Going for Gold, and I am looking for signal words that would tell us or show us events in order. So it says, the 2016 U.S. Women's Olympic Swim Team had 22 members. I'm going to go ahead and just underline 2016 because that's a date, and that will help us to identify events in order. 8 of Simone's teammates swam in the 2012 Olympics. Now, this isn't super important. I wouldn't underline it for events in order because it's just telling us that of the 22 members swimming now, 8 of them were on the team in 2012. Joining a team of superstar swimmers could have been intimidating, but they had true team spirit. The veterans wanted Simone to win big too. They knew preparing for the games meant getting ready mentally as well as physically. Simone's teammates helped build her confidence. They reminded her that she knew what to do. She knew how to race. They also told her to have fun at her first Olympics. Simone listened to their advice. She had her own ways to keep calm under pressure too. She tried to focus her mind on things she could control. She knew to work hard to improve her skills and her speed. She wouldn't worry about the rest. Now, this page is a little tricky because there are not really that many signal words, but it is telling us kind of what's happening before she starts swimming. And so if I were to have to sum this up, this page that I just read, I would say that the swimmers on her team tried to build her confidence before she swam in the race. So you are going to go ahead and continue to read, and you are going to identify one important event from the beginning, the middle, and the end, and you are going to record it in the graphic organizer. Again, do the essential question, the written responses, and answer the MyOn quiz. Also, make sure that you are doing the assigned iReady lessons for this week. All right, let me know if you have any questions. Bye, guys.